Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to learn how Windows actually decides which programs to run on startup so that we can implement this feature on our virus. Right now, we are just starting our executable, but users simply can shut it down. What we really want is to be able to run this program, run this virus, whenever user starts their computer. And in order to do that, we must understand how Windows decide which programs to run on startup. Okay, so we're gonna first have to do it, then later on adapt it on our own code. So all you have to do is just delete all of this because we're going to improve this software, and then search for Regedit. So this is Registry Edit. This is a software by Windows where you can decide the general settings of your computer, okay? And since I opened this before, it's expanded, but it runs as collapse at this state generally. But we are interested in this HK current user folder, okay? Once you open HK current user, we are interested in software and Microsoft, okay? Under Microsoft, you will see the Windows. So once you open the Windows, we are interested in the current version folder, and within current version folder, we are interested in this run folder. So once you go here, you will see some predefined values. So whatever is written in here, Windows will run it on startup. So Windows will run this OneDrive, Windows will run this default software when it first starts, okay, when user first starts their operating systems. So I can just click right and add new values to this run registry. But we want to know how to do it with command, right? Because we're not gonna do this manually, we have to do it automatically within our tool. So let me show you how to do it with command prompt. You have to use a very long command. It starts with regadd, which is registry add, and after that you will have to specify the values that you want to add to the registry. So we're going to add the HK current user directory, which has the automatic abbreviation of HKCU. Later on you will add a backslash and then run the folder names exactly as it appears in here. So this is software, Microsoft, Windows, current version with a capital V, then run. So we want to add our values to this folder. And in order to specify the values, we will use some predefined abbreviations again. So for name, we will say V upgrade, and this upgrade will be our name, okay? We are defining this. You can just choose whatever you want. Then type will be regsc as it appears here, and D, the data, will be the location of the file within quotation marks. Okay, so I'm going to say C users, i.e. user app data as an example. I don't have anything in here right now, but I will just add it as if I have it. So once you do that, it says that the operation completed successfully, and if you renew it, refresh it, you will see the latest version, latest file in here. So now it's added, and if I had this upgrade.exe in the app data, the Windows will start it once we restart the Windows. Of course, this is just an example, but right now we know how to add something to the registry with command. So it's very good for us. We can just copy this whole line in here and paste it onto our code, right? We can use subprocess to run this command. So let's go here and add it to this one line. So if I call subprocess and if I call all of this command, it will be added to my registry once I run my program. But there are two obstacles in our way. One, I don't know where is my current file is located. So maybe user placed it on their desktop, maybe user placed it on their documents. I don't know that. And they can just erase this file later on, right? Once they figure out this is a virus. So even though I add it to the registry, maybe user will delete it and Windows will not be able to find this software and then run it. So we have to copy our current user, current program into one secret folder and then add it to that folder to the registry. Maybe we can use app data in order to do that in a real life example. So let's stop here and discuss this further in the next lecture.